crafters and creatives, I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we made this Batman. Keep watching. So this little guy is actually made out of egg boxes cut into pieces, and it is inspired by Tree's craft. I found her on Instagram. I'll tag her down below as well so you can find her crafts. She does really cool stuff, so check her out. I run art classes in London and I tried this one out with 7 to 8 year olds. It's a bit too tricky for the younger ones, but for the older ones I think it's the right kind of challenge. And you can see it's quite small details. So the head, first of all, is the tip of a cone in the egg box, and the body itself is like a larger part of another cone, and then the arms is cut like that, and then it's put into a cut in the middle. The trickiest part was these legs, so I thought I'll show that to you guys on this video. So basically, when you have one part like this, you take small scissors and then you cut it. I'll try to show it as good as I can. Cut here in the middle, and then in over here, and then towards the other side, like that, and then the same on the other side. So open it up right here in the middle, and then I cut a little bit less, and then we put a tiny piece of tape to roll them together into 2 separate legs. And once you cut all of the little pieces and parts, it's time to get the brushes out and start decorating.
In the Lego movie?
Yeah.
I haven't seen Batman. I like Batman.
Okay. Batman.
In the Lego movie.
A great tip that Tracey from Tree shared with us was that when you paint the head, to not get so much paint on your fingers, place it on a cone like that, and you see you get all the paint on the cone instead of on your hands. It might feel easier to draw on the face features with a Sharpie instead of with a brush. Thank you for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and hit the bell to get notifications for new videos. If you want us to try out any of your crafts, you can email us on londonartnanny@gmail.com. Tag us on Instagram if you try out our crafts at @LDNArtNanny. See you very soon.